Hi there. I don't think we've met before. What's your name?
Hi. Nice to meet you. My name is Sarah. What about you?
I'm John. Pleasure to meet you, Sarah. So, Sarah, where are you from?
I'm from London, England. How about you, John?
I'm originally from New York, but I've been living in Los Angeles for the past few years. It's quite different from where I grew up. London must be an exciting city.
Yes, London is a vibrant city with so much to offer. There are countless historical landmarks, museums, and cultural events. I really enjoy living there. What brought you to Los Angeles?
I moved here for work. I'm a software engineer, and there are great opportunities in the tech industry in this city. Plus, the weather is fantastic, and there's always something happening here. Have you ever been to the United States?
Yes, I've visited a few times. I've been to New York and Los Angeles. I enjoyed the hustle and bustle of New York City, and the beaches in Los Angeles are stunning. Are there any places in London that you recommend visiting?
Definitely. If you visit London, I highly recommend checking out the British Museum. It's home to a vast collection of historical artifacts from around the world. Also, make sure to explore the iconic landmarks like Buckingham Palace, the Tower of London, and Big Ben. And don't forget to try traditional fish and chips.
Wow, that sounds amazing! I'll definitely add those places to my list. By the way, John, how old are you?
I'm 27. And you, Sarah?
I'm 25. It's interesting how we're around the same age. So, John, what do you do for a living?
As I mentioned earlier, I work as a software engineer. I develop applications and software solutions for different companies. It's a challenging but rewarding job. How about you, Sarah? What's your occupation?
I'm a teacher at a primary school. I teach English and mathematics to young children. It's fulfilling to see them learn and grow every day. I really enjoy working with kids.
That's wonderful, Sarah. Being a teacher is such an important and impactful profession. It takes a lot of patience and dedication. Do you have any hobbies or interests outside of work?
Yes, I do. I love reading books, especially fiction and mystery novels. It's a great way to relax and escape into different worlds. I also enjoy painting and going for long walks in nature. It helps me clear my mind and find inspiration. How about you, John? What do you do in your free time?
That's fantastic, Sarah. In my free time, I'm into sports, particularly basketball. I play in a local league with my friends. It's not only a great way to stay active, but also a fun way to socialize. I also enjoy hiking and exploring new places. Los Angeles has some beautiful hiking trails and scenic spots.
That sounds like a lot of fun, John. I've always wanted to try hiking, but I haven't had the chance yet. Speaking of hobbies, do you have any siblings, John?
Yes, I have a younger brother. He's currently studying to become a lawyer. We get along well, although we do have our occasional arguments like any siblings do. How about you, Sarah? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one older sister. She works as a doctor in a hospital. We have a close bond and support each other through thick and thin. Family is important to me, and I'm grateful to have her in my life.
That's wonderful, Sarah. Having a close-knit family is truly a blessing. So, Sarah, what's your favorite food?
Oh, that's a tough one. I love Italian cuisine, especially pizza and pasta. The flavors and variety of toppings in pizza always make it a satisfying meal. And who can resist a plate of delicious pasta with rich tomato sauce and melted cheese? How about you, John? What's your favorite food?
I'm a big fan of Mexican food. Tacos and burritos are my go-to favorites. The combination of flavors from the spices, tender meat, and fresh toppings is simply mouth-watering. I enjoy exploring different Mexican restaurants and trying out new dishes whenever I can.
That sounds delicious, John. Mexican cuisine has such a vibrant and bold taste. By the way, do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets at the moment, but I've always wanted to get a dog. They are loyal companions and bring so much joy to our lives. Maybe someday soon, when I have more time and space, I'll adopt a furry friend. How about you, Sarah? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers. She's really adorable and keeps me company at home. Cats are independent yet affectionate creatures. Whiskers loves to curl up on my lap while I read or watch TV. Pets truly bring a special kind of companionship and comfort.
That's lovely, Sarah. Cats can be such great companions, and they have their unique personalities. So, Sarah, what's your favorite movie?
That's a tough question. I have many favorites, but if I had to pick one, I'd say The Shawshank Redemption. It's a classic film with a powerful storyline about hope, friendship, and redemption. The performances by the actors are outstanding, and it's a movie that leaves a lasting impact. How about you, John? What's your favorite movie?
That's a great choice, Sarah. It's indeed a remarkable film. As for me, I'm a fan of action movies, and one of my favorites is The Dark Knight. It's a superhero movie with an amazing storyline, intense action sequences, and memorable performances, especially by Heath Ledger as the Joker. The film keeps you on the edge of your seat from start to finish.
That sounds like a thrilling movie, John. It's interesting how our preferences can vary, but it's what makes conversations like these so engaging. It was really nice talking to you, John. I hope we can chat again soon.
Absolutely, Sarah. It was a pleasure talking to you too. I've enjoyed learning more about you and your interests. Let's definitely catch up again. Have a great day.
You too, John. Take care and have a wonderful day ahead. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Sarah. Have a fantastic day.